What's your favorite part about the Magic House?
That you get to do anything you want.
The Magic House is a place where a kid can come and be a kid.
It's just fun. There's a sense of curiosity about it, and nothing's off limits.
And they can really tap into that childlike experience. So whether you're a child or not, the Magic House brings out the child in you.
In other situations where you might, nope, you can't touch, nope, you can't touch, you hear that so much as a kid. And the Magic House is a place where they say, go touch, go explore, go make, go do. Connection to a culture is one of the most important things that we can develop in our students, that cultural competency. Because once you're able to be culturally competent, you have this empathy within yourself that allows you to engage, connect, communicate with people all over the world.
They want to know more about those kids from those countries, and they want to know more about the languages that they speak and the food that they eat and the music that they listen to. And they all get to experience that here at the Magic House. So it really just piques their curiosity about the world outside of the community that they live in.
For our students, the Viva Mexico exhibit was something that they've never experienced before. A lot of our students come from Mexico, but they were able to be seen in a different way and to be able to share with their friends. And so when they were excitedly going to all the different parts of the exhibit, they brought something back with them, back to school, that sense of being seen.
They get to see the difference in the culture and the atmosphere, but they also get to relate.
It is beautiful to have the students see those similarities between cultures that they may not already know and something that they do know.
Access for All is a great investment in our young kids. It gives them the foundation where they can start thinking about their endless potential.
I think the Access for All initiative is incredible because it gives equitable access to something like the Magic House for students from every zip code.
A lot of times with our families, they're hesitant to really access things like the Magic House when it's open to the public. Some of our kids are in wheelchairs. Some of them have extreme behavior. Some of them have sensory issues. So it's nice to be able to provide them opportunities where they can experience the Magic House but be comfortable in doing so. I have parents calling me up until like 5 o'clock saying, I missed the RSVP, but can we still come? And because of this opportunity, I am afforded to never have to turn a family away, and that's the best feeling ever.
So while the Magic House is always going to offer an incredible fun day for students, it goes beyond that. It inspires students to think bigger, to imagine themselves in different places, and really think they can do anything and be anything they want.
The lifelong impact is that they are shaping the minds of our future doctors, our future politicians, our future cooks and chefs, teachers and educators.
And the more people that can support Access for All, the more students' lives can be touched and the better our community becomes.
Really opening up a door for kids to be able to just imagine and wonder about what their life could be, and that is priceless.